Well, the state of Florida wants to decrease the amount of vaccines your child is required to get before they can start kindergarten. Thank you for watching Gulf Coast News. I'm Lindsay Burrell.
And I'm Peter Bush. There's a 3-week public comment period first, but the new rules will allow parents to refuse the hepatitis B, chickenpox, influenza B, and the pneumococcal conjugate vaccines and still send the kids to school. We're covering the Gulf Coast in Lee County, where reporter Bernie Montas shows us how this change will impact you.
4 vaccines are on the chopping block in Florida: hepatitis B, chickenpox, Haemophilus influenza type B, and PCV. On September 10th, these may no longer be required to attend schools.
My 2-year-old had a reaction really bad at 2, and it kind of changed our idea of what we wanted to do with them.
Caitlin Muniz is a mom of 3 who says vaccinating kids should be their parents' decision.
I genuinely feel it should be up to the parent and the family of what they do for their kids. Granted, yes, there should be some state regulations to help guide some parents that might not do the research or just might want to go with the typical vaccinations.
Last Thursday, Florida Surgeon General approved a rule that would no longer require 4 immunizations for entry to public schools, pre-K to 12th grade. In September, Dr. Joseph Ladapo said repealing vaccine mandates wouldn't affect how the state handles disease outbreaks.
We don't need to do any projections. We handle outbreaks all the time. So there's nothing special that we would need to do.
According to the latest numbers, roughly 4% of public school students in both Lee and Collier counties have religious or medical vaccine exemptions. On a national level, the CDC says more than 90% of studied states saw an increase in non-medical exemption rates. Rachel Grunwald is a mom of 2 who says she understands why other parents may support vaccine mandates.
I think that some vaccines are necessary, but if we can try not to give our children vaccines to go to school or have that option to not, I think that would be great.
It's a Florida Department of Health requirement to vaccinate children against hepatitis B, chickenpox, Hib influenza, and PCV. But it isn't state law. The rule has a 21-day period for public input before final approval. Covering the Gulf Coast in Lee County, Bernie Montas, Gulf Coast News.